Okay, pause. Yes, here is another video where my microphone isn't working for half the time. Don't worry, I'm not saying much, just saying how I want to explore more protective hairstyles. The one that I'm doing today is a jumbo braid.
So it's not really a disclaimer, but I feel like it's worth mentioning. I don't know how to do baby hairs. I don't think I have baby hairs. If I do, they're long, but not long enough to be like full grown hairs because of like breakage and stuff. So I guess like my teenage hairs, anyway.
Yep, another part where I'm talking and my microphone isn't working. Haha. Yeah, no, I'm just explaining that it's been like probably 20 minutes since I put everything on my head and it's mostly dry and I'm taking it out and taking a look at it for the first time. That's that's really all that's going on in this clip. Like it's taking a long time because I wanted to have my little microphone, but it wasn't working. So, here's this. Mama. Okay. What do you think?
Wow.
That's
like ridiculously long hair.
Like, is it okay enough for me to wear outside the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see like where your
Where my hair
ends.
Yeah.
If you straightened it, your hair a little
Yeah.
more,
Well,
obviously you can mimic that.
I
that
wasn't
texture, but-
pulling. I wasn't pulling as hard as I should have
Yeah.
because my nails are coming off.
Oh.
So my hair.
Yeah,
My hair keeps getting caught. It keeps getting caught in like the base of my nails, and like my nails keep like, because that's where they're like popping off of the nail.
Mhm.
So that's where they keep getting cut. And if I pulled hard, I know that one of them is bound to pop off.
Anyway,
One of them. I'm due for a touch up.
your hair is not that far from being that long.
Yeah. When it's straight, when it's curly, it's a totally different story that people are actually surprised how long my hair is. But you like my microphone?
I'm pretty sure that's not.
It's a microphone.
Isn't that a bubble?
Yeah.
This is one of the first ones we got here, actually. This is one of the first things. I haven't used the bubbles ever since. This is why I waste my bubbles. Yeah, so I'll be wearing this out. We're gonna go watch a movie soon. There goes my dad. So, bye-bye.